OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine!
People, hello, guys. I stay in Trento, Trentino. Ferrari winemaker with me, my friend Matteo Lunelli. Today I try F.lli Nero 2006 vintage. It's wonderful vintage. It's big important wine. This is the best sparkling wine from Italy. Matteo, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Wonderful day today with a lot of wine lovers coming to OperaWine.
Okay. Matteo, please, for the guys, for the people, can you explain, because 2006 big vintage, F.lli Nero is new wine, only 100% Pinot Noir grapes. Can you explain the characteristic and the taste and the mood of F.lli?
First of all, this F.lli Nero is a bottled fermented sparkling wine from Trentino, so it's a Trento DOC. And it's a very unique Ferrari, because it's the only Ferrari which is 100% made with Pinot Noir, so it's a blonde noir. And the Pinot Noir we use for F.lli Nero is a Pinot Noir coming from our mountain agriculture. In this glass of wine, you really should feel the feel and the aroma of our mountain of Trentino. Because in this F.lli Nero, we vinify grapes, we use only grapes which are coming from high altitude vineyards that provide us the perfect grapes for a Blanc de Noir.
Matteo, thank you so much. I like very much F.lli Noir 2006 because it's wonderful nose. It reminds me of this pistachio cream, lemon, candied orange. It's very nice balance between the perlage and the acidity. Matteo, thank you for your time. Thank you for emotion. Thank you so much.
Thanks to you, and I suggest to taste this Ferrari Trento DOC, this F.lli Nero, especially with food, because with this structure, it's perfect to be matched with a fantastic Italian food.
Thank you. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine!